Mga kapuso, ngayon pasado alas 11 po ng gabi ay patuloy po yung protesta ng iba't ibang grupo. Ngayon, kanina po nagaling sila ng Maynila, ngayon po nandito tayo sa Makati City. Ito po yung Arnaiz Gate sa Dasma Village. Medyo nagkakaroon na po ng tensyon sa pagitan ng mga rallyista at mga pulis. Pinapanawagan po nila yung korupsyon na nangyayari sa gobyerno, yung flood control projects at yung pagbitiw daw po ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Kanina po kasama rin po nila dito si Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Pakinggan po natin ang ilan sa kanyang mga pahayag.
Kasi pag kinumpara mo yung mga speech ni BBM noong 2022 at noong 2025, then they're very different people. Kasi pag nakita mo yung mga pinagsasabi ni BBM ngayon, it's very chaotic, very unsure. Pero nung 2022, at that time, no one could have blamed anyone for believing in him because he actually had a vision of unity and a vision of hope for our future. Now, sobrang dami nang nawala ng tiwala sa kanya, and I think it's time for him to resign. Maybe he was a good person back then, pero masyado siyang natakot na baka mapatalsik siya ulit. So he tried to collect all the resources for himself so that he will always have power. Hindi natin alam. I can't speak for BBM or in BBM's behalf. But for Marcos, I just hope he starts to understand what the people feel about it. Hindi naman namin kailangan sabihin kung anong oras kami nagpo-protesta. Pero sila, hindi rin nasasabi kung anong oras sila nagnanakaw. They're stealing anytime, so we're protesting anytime. Ganun yun. Well, firstly, I'm not the only government official that is protesting. There are plenty of other protesters from different sides of the government. From the Senate, we have people who joined the Trillion Peso March, and from Congress as well. So we have different methods, but at the end of the day, what we want is to just get the money of the people back and to imprison those who have stolen it. Well, it grows every day. We are growing, and that's what's important. And hopefully, once they see the potential damage corruption is causing our country, our numbers will grow even more and more. Wala akong ibang magawa today eh. Bored lang, imbis na maglaro ako, mag-games na ako sa bahay or mga movies. At least I am doing something productive, and this is part of my role as a public official. Kailangan talaga nating labanan ng korupsyon, and if I cannot fight from within Congress due to the lack of numbers, then here where I do have numbers is where I will fight.
Nantanungin natin si Congressman kung ano ang kanyang masasabi kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos. Ito ang kanyang pahayag.
Hindi, tayo. Meow meow, start listening to the